Hello and welcome everyone back to another video. My name is DJ Canada and we're back with another drip video, and today we are speaking about the Manor Farm specifically. I wanted to make this video because it was actually a highly requested video on how to actually take profits in the Manor Farm. A lot of us people are in the garden, you know, we are super dedicated, we're compounding every single day, so we're not really thinking about taking profits. But today we are speaking about cashing out the DRIP BUSD garden. I wanted to make this tutorial on how you can properly cash out so you can actually have that in value, which we're talking about in BNB specifically. If you guys are new in the Manor Farm, I'm going to leave a video about tutorial, beginner tutorial in Manor Farm, how to get into it in the top left or top right. I'm also going to leave my link to click on the Manor Farm if you want to enter it. There's also my referral link, so absolutely if you want to support me you can click down there and deposit your money that way. Aside from that, let's actually get into the action. Now, as you guys can see, I did let this accumulate for kind of half a day. I have $15. So what do you do here if you wanted to cash this out? What do you do here is scroll down, and as you guys can see, the regular plant compound button is right there. Now, as you guys can see, you want to click on the harvest seeds button. Now just keep in mind that I just realized that the transaction fee does cost 0.01 BNB to sell this, so that's around $4.75 currently. So keep in mind that this is slightly on the costlier side of transactions. So if you do want to cash out, make sure you have made enough to cover for the actual costs, so you're not actually in the negatives as you're cashing out daily. So what you want to do is click confirm, and then what you should happen is you should receive your LP tokens back. You're converting them from plants to LP tokens specifically, which is right here, 0.531. And now just like that, you saw that confirm transaction, harvest successful. And then in any second, this number should update from balance 0 to balance the number that I just cashed out. Now if this does take time, I'm going to quickly do a quick restart. Oh, I didn't need to. And there you go, this updated, and now I have 0.53 LP tokens. What I can do here basically to convert this back into cash itself is now we have to go to PancakeSwap. So once you've cashed out the 0.5.3 or however many LP tokens that you have cashed out, what you want to do is go to PancakeSwap. Now what you're going to need here is the DRIP contract address, which I got straight from CMC itself, from DRIP network. All you have to do is click this button, copy address, and then you want to go to PancakeSwap and make sure you are in the liquidity tab. Now once you're here, now this is going to be different for you. I already have my drip/BUSD pool, but you will actually have to add it by going to find other tokens, go here, you want to change it to BUSD, and then you want to go to DRIP. I'm going to paste the address right there, and then it says pool found, manage this pool. You want to click manage this pool, and it is right there, and it already registers how much LP tokens I have. Now once you are here, you want to click down the arrow and click remove. That means you're going to convert your LP tokens back into their original tokens. You want to click remove, and then you want to do maximum amount. So what will that do is basically resplit them into their respective values. So it will actually give me back in DRIP, which is 0.11, and also give me $7.6 of BUSD. Now you also have to enable the transaction or enable the contract. You do that by just, you want to sign in, and then after that you want to confirm and click the remove button, and it basically tells you how much you're going to make on split, confirm, and just like that, the transaction shouldn't cost that much, and then you will receive etc, submitted, close. Now just like that, I have confirmed and received everything. Now what we do to check this is I'm going to quickly go to DRIP faucets, and if I go to my swap, I should see my balance at 0.1 etc, which is around $7. And as well, if I go to PooCoin, I can see that my BUSD balance is also around roughly the same thing. So what if you don't want the DRIP what if you also want to sell the drip back into BUSD or BNB or whatever you want? Well, we can't really say whatever we want because we have to look at the liquidity pools available. And if I go to PooCoin in drip, if I go to drip in PooCoin, you can see the liquidity pool available. You got drip BNB and drip USD. And for the sake of sticking to BUSD, I am going to sell this in BUSD, and if I wanted to convert it back into BNB, it will be super easy from there. So as you guys can see, I have $6.86 worth of drip. What I want to do is click on trade. You can also do this on PancakeSwap if you want, by the way. And then basically you want to click on here, BUSD, click on flip, and then put it on max, which should be around $6.88, but you will get 10% taxed. So I'm going to click on swap, and it should confirm with a transaction. And just like that, you click confirm, and it should update my balance, my BUSD balance right down in this bottom corner right here. Should be around, I'm gonna expect $13. That's pretty good. So after all, I have turned around my $15 into 13. So the taxes, obviously there are taxes here and there, but didn't add up that much. But guys, that is how you successfully turn and sell and cash out your Manor Farm Garden into actual cash and actual value. Other than that, if you want to go a step further and turn this into BNB, which I'm going to show you for the sake of this video, might as well, is all you gotta do, BUSD, click here, turn this into BNB, click that, which will give me 0.029. I'm going to click swap, another cheap transaction, and then click confirm. Just like that, I'm going to be turning $13.8, and it should update to 0.36, just like that. Simple as that, guys. That will be the end of the video. You have made it. What I'm going to do, I'm going to leave my playlist, drip playlist, in the top left or top right for you if you want to watch any of my other drip videos. You know, if you guys are new to the Manor Farm and you also want to join the very low risk faucet, which gives you 1%. I'm gonna leave my link in the description if you also want to join in using my buddy address. We have a team of 8 people, so if you join this, you know, you can join my team. And also make sure to let me know in Telegram that you have joined at Coolide. I'm gonna leave every link in the description. Other than that, guys, I hope you enjoyed. I'm also gonna leave the link of this Excel sheet that I've made so you can simulate how far you can go with compounding, daily compounding. How you can get a hold of this and edit this is actually by going to the link and then click file, download Excel sheet right here, and then it's all yours. You can edit it because right now I'm keeping it locked for public view from griefing it basically. But other than that, guys, if you have enjoyed this video, please give it a like, subscribe if you're new. I'm almost at 400 subscribers. I just hit 350 yesterday, I believe. So absolutely, thank you very much, man. This is has been an absolute pleasure making videos for you guys. I love you know, receiving messages from you guys saying that I'm helpful, you guys enjoy my videos, etc. So I'm just gonna carry on doing it, you know what I mean? Like, I'm learning as I'm going, so I want to teach you guys and take you guys along on my journey as well. Other than that, I'll see you in another video. Subscribe, like, stay tuned for more. Tell me, what do you think about the Manor Farm? Tell me, are you also in Drip Faucet? What do you think of Drip as a whole ecosystem? Is this the best farm out there? Is this the best ecosystem out there? How long will the Manor Farm be? You know what I mean? Is it a year, 2 years? I want to know all your thoughts in the comments below. Other than that, guys, hope you have a nice rest of your day, and I'll catch you in another video. Bye bye.